Hey guys, good evening all. Here's what we got. I shared these things around, I don't know, 7:30 left. I put on the micros. I add to them about 10 minutes ago. So I have YM here, 2, NQ2, and M2K2. But I just also take one YM.
Down 1 minute, cross below.
I did not get filled, but I took one NQ here. I'm up $420 on this NQ. So what I would do here, these two NQ here, I would take this trade off here for a quick win. All right,
Order
we
filled.
get 360 in that. I would take off two of these NQ here for 149.
Order filled.
I take off one YM here,
Order filled.
and I have one RTY, and I have two M2K. I'll take one off here.
Order submitted.
If I could get filled, I'm too sure.
Order filled.
Okay. And so we have one RTY, it's only up $5. I just add that one up till we get this flush here. That's the NQ, right? So we have one YM over here remaining, and we have one M2K on one RTY, which is up $40. I keep the micros on. I might take off the RTY. It's coming into 930. Let's see if we get a pivot down a little lower. All right, and NQ, I would wait to get back into NQ again. I don't know. I look like I got out too early. All right, so it's still flushing it. So, but that's okay. We get like $500, so that was good. So the RTY. Sorry, I didn't take a YM. I mini YM, but I had too many trades on. I got lost in track of the trades. Them. My thesis behind the short is that I wanted the short NQ so bad after the close, but I had on some positions and I took them off because they were down a little from the prior session. So when we open up, I decided to let the market, rally up with all pending buy orders, and then after I short the market around 7:30. Then I add a few minutes ago on the NQ after I see it rally up back. I was up, I know, like 60 bucks, and then it rally up, and then I add one more. We got the flush, and then I take it down. Right. The reason for wanted to short these guys, I wanted to sell the rip. So I advise folks in the room to buy some put spreads on the Qs. Start nibbling on the Qs and the spiders and DIA. One of my reasons for that is this. NQ squeeze fire short. And look at NQ. Market rally up at NQ. Still closed below the 21 here. See here? So I was watching him all day. The rest of the guys recovered nicely. But he's down below the 21 now for since last week. So my expectation is that he would run into some problems. All right. Can't get out of his own way right now. So, they're all in accumulation stage, am I right? Except in YM, which is in still an acceleration stage. But in the massive run up today, I expect a sympathy pullback and possible turnaround Tuesday. But turnaround Tuesday was on my mind. The chart setup here was on my mind. It happened to be a Tuesday, so I look for a pullback on a Tuesday. Right. Turner Tuesday work good when you go up on Friday, and then you go up on Monday, and then you get turnaround Tuesday. Right. Hey, it was kind of a hybrid kind of turnaround Tuesday. But anyhow, the essence of the trade was because of this. Wanted to short this guy. Can't get above the 21. How many days now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Trading below the 21. Right. These guys recover. These recover. These recover. These recover. I figure if NQ go, we take the rest of the guys with him. So that was the trade there. So I let these run. I got these on here. And if we look at the main, revert to the main chart, you could see that NQ can't get above the mean. Squeeze fire short, you can't get above the mean. We got a crossover right here. This is 1, 2, 3 days. The crossover happened here, right? The 5 and 21 cross, the 8 and 21 crossover. These guys trading above the mean. Everybody went above the mean except in this guy. This guy's in trouble. Squeeze fire short. A new downtrend is forming in a accumulation stage. I haven't looked to see how the European market is doing, so we take a look at that. This is investing.com. You could go to portfolio here and you could build a watch list. So here's what we got. Australia is up. South Korea is up. Nikkei is down. China A50 is up. Shanghai is down. Hang Seng is down. And Shenzhen is up. India's not open yet. These markets are not open yet. Right. Sorry. What we got here? Hold on. Let me go back here. Yeah, India is not open yet. And New Zealand is open. And these guys can open till 3 in the morning. The FTSEs, the DAX, you just talk you around the CACs. They're gonna open at 3 in the morning. When Asia closed, China closed, they would open up. Okay. So that's where we at on a big picture, right? So I look to get back into this guy if he rally up back, right? But right now we have this on. We have this on. And we have an RTY on. And he's trading down. Well, you know what? I can take this off.
Order filled.
Got $25 win in it. So I keep these micros on, right? I would short, if this guy recover back to the mean here, I'm going to take an RTY. This is a micro. This is a micro, right? That's it, guy. What a nice day to start the night. Okay.